Good afternoon, everyone. This is John here at the Weather Service office in Pleasant Hill. Just going to give you a quick little update here on a couple of items of interest here. We've got some freezing drizzle chances tonight, late tonight through Saturday morning. And then, of course, the big story is the rounds of snowfall early next week into the middle part of the week as we get into next week. So first of all, let's talk about the freezing drizzle potential tonight. I think there's a good chance of a light glazing of ice, maybe across parts of far northern Missouri, generally north of the U.S. Highway 36 corridor. Could see some slick spots in the bridges and overpasses. Temperatures are probably going to stay, or at least look to stay, above freezing, just barely the farther south you go, as we've looked at kind of the parameters here this afternoon. So I think the chance for the KC metro area and the I-70 corridor is looking less. It's about 10% of a chance of maybe getting a glaze of ice. I can't rule it out. So it might happen. So we're going to keep a close eye on it. And if we do need to issue a winter weather advisory, we will pull the trigger on one as we get through the evening here and continue to kind of monitor how this unfolds. So again, best chance for ice right now, any kind of ice, and maybe a light glaze north of that US 36 corridor. Lesser chances as you move closer, move farther to the south. So let's go ahead and talk about what we really want to talk about is the snow. Round one snow is going to come in more than likely late Monday, kind of Monday afternoon, evening into early, and continuing through Thursday, early Thursday morning. Around a light to moderate snow is expected, generally 1 to 4 inches across the area. Right now, you can kind of see there's this area on this graphic. This is the probability of at least 2 inches of snow. There's a good area of 50 to 60% chance of 2 inches or more of snow across parts of northeastern Kansas and northwestern Missouri, and around 50% chance there for the KC metro area. The chances for 1 or 2 inches of snow drop off as you get into central Missouri and move to the east. Again, it looks like this more than likely will impact the Monday afternoon evening commute. And then the better chance for impacting the commutes will be that Tuesday morning time frame as the snow is beginning to taper off. So I mentioned that tapering off. So there's 2 rounds here. I think we'll see some snow kind of hang out, maybe linger through midday on Tuesday, but then the second round moves in Tuesday night through Wednesday. That second round is actually the stronger of the 2 right now from the model guidance, with the potential of another 2 to 5 inches of snow across the area, along with locally higher amounts that cannot be ruled out. The confidence of exact snow totals is low, like where that's going to be, but we have pretty good confidence you're going to see a cumulative snowfall. The Wednesday morning and evening commutes are most likely to be affected by this system. This graphic, again, is the probability of at least 2 inches of snowfall for Wednesday into Wednesday night. We've got a swap there, 60 to 70% chance across the KC metro area and the I-70 corridor through the region. Combining the 2 events together, we're looking maybe from 3 to 9 inches of snow across parts of the area, depending on how the 2 events unfold. Maybe some locally higher amounts, closer to 10, cannot be ruled out. The probability of snow exceeding this graphic's probability of at least 6 inches of snow for the Monday through Wednesday night. So it's combining the 2 events together. You can see there's a good swath of 60 to 70% chance that you can see 6 inches or greater of snow across parts of northeastern Kansas and northwestern Missouri. These are unusually high probabilities this far in advance. So definitely take note that we're going to have some accumulating snowfall in the early part of next week. Again, this is the timeline. I wanted to show this because we are expecting maybe a lull there between the 2 rounds of snow between the Monday, Tuesday, and the Tuesday night, Wednesday system. So you can kind of see that and visualize what that's going to look like. All right, thank everyone for watching the video briefing today. If you need anything, please reach out to us. Call the ops floor. We're here all weekend, 24/7 as always, and you can reach out to us through NWS chat and Slack. We'll be providing updates as we get them, and as the events unfold. As we get closer to next week, we'll be providing updates as model guidance comes into better agreement and we get a better handle on how the system's going to unfold for Monday through Wednesday. Thanks again for listening. Appreciate you.